Hi there, it's your girl Joy. As you all know, the internet has opened up a whole new world of opportunities for many people to make money online. One of the best ways to make money in this digital age is to learn how to create and sell digital products. You want to learn how to create digital products and sell them online? Why not enroll in the next batch of the scholarship training on digital skills, where you get to learn how to create hot selling digital products and sell them online. Take action today by enrolling in the next batch of the scholarship training on digital skills. Do not be left behind, for we are in a digital economy.
So it is important you start creating. Stop procrastinating. Stop telling yourself you start tomorrow, you start next tomorrow. The sooner you get this idea to market, the more money you make. So listen, if you have great product idea, then your goal should be to get it to the market as quickly as possible. Do not sit down to create the best product in the world. You cannot. It's not possible. So don't you ever start, I want my time, I see this my digital product, if I finish it, forget. Nothing like it in the world again. Like, you cannot create the best product. It's the same as someone doing wedding. You want to do the best wedding again? It's not possible. Your wedding will come and go. Another wedding that will beat it will come. You cannot create the best product. So what do you do?
Say that I'm satisfied.
100% satisfied with the training.
Yes, I'm satisfied.
I am very satisfied with the website design and digital marketing training. I hope to go into freelancing, designing websites for people and flyers, and hopefully doing search engine optimization for different people and companies and organizations.
If you're not here, you're missing out. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, something you don't want to pass on, and I really want you to be here.
I will tell you is that digital skill in today's society is very important, and if you're yet to acquire one or you're looking for a place to acquire one, Bismarck Technology is a very nice place to get the knowledge and the skill.
I think you should be here if you're interested in learning a digital skill, because the environment is friendly. They have hand-on practice to teach you, and then they already have this experience. So you are learning from an experienced hand, not from textbook or whatever, but from experience. So you will enjoy it, and then the class is funny and sweet.